This beautiful one-owner 2016 Coachmen Mirada could be just the coach you've been looking for. This is floor plan model 35KB, which is 37 feet long and has one bedroom slide and one living room slide that give you a more comfortable living space. This coach has been kept under covered storage. The exterior is in excellent condition, has an outstanding lustrous appearance, and shows little to no signs of wear and tear. This nice coach has passed our thorough inspection process and earned the Inspected and Protected seal of approval. It also includes the industry's best extended warranty and a free Carfax report. Built on a Ford F-53 chassis, this coach uses leaf springs and gas-charged shocks to give you a smooth and stable ride. The combination of a Ford Triton 6.8-liter V10 engine and an automatic transmission has very low miles and will give you many more years of adventure. Exterior features include a 20-foot power patio awning and slider topper awnings. There's plenty of underbelly storage in the 2 large partial pass-throughs and the 3 standard compartments. There's even a patio side cooking center with gas grill hookup, sink, and refrigerator, as well as an entertainment center with a 32-inch LCD TV with an attached CD/DVD player. There's also an outside shower, rear ladder, and individual rear mud flaps. The tinted frameless dual-pane windows bring a sleek beauty to the exterior while providing protection from heating and cooling loss and interior fading. Entering this Class A coach, you'll immediately feel like royalty of the road. Highway travel is made comfortable with durable leatherette captain's chairs, tilt steering with cruise control on the wheel, in-dash AM/FM CD stereo with USB connection, overhead map lights, and power one-piece sun visor. Safety features include anti-lock brakes, stability and traction control, rear-end side view monitor system, heated and power adjustable side mirrors, fog lights, exterior security lighting, and an entry door deadbolt. You'll see everything on the road through the unobstructed one-piece windshield with low-mounted wipers. When you arrive at your destination, leveling your coach is easy with the automatic leveling system. Connect to on-site power or light up the onboard generator, put out the slides, lower the power roller shade and pull the privacy curtains, swivel the captain's chairs, and enjoy your luxury accommodations, which include a convertible, comfortable ultra-leather sofa. Get comfortable anywhere for viewing the living room entertainment center featuring a 39-inch LCD TV, as the dynamic built-in ceiling speakers fill the room. Your viewing options include CD/DVD player, cable and satellite from a standard hookup, or local channels via the roof-mounted antenna. Entertain for dinner at the stowable convertible dinette with gorgeous Formica top and soft ultra-leather U-shaped booth seating with under-seat storage. Luxury features include fine wood accents, beautiful spiced maple cabinets with brushed nickel hardware, stylish decorative solid surface backsplash, accent lighting, day-night shades, and the elegance of the overall decor and fabric choices. The nicely equipped kitchen makes RV life easy with lots of counter space and storage, high-end solid surface countertops, stainless steel under-counter double sink with high-rise pull-out faucet, hard-mounted microwave oven with 3-burner stovetop, and 2-door residential refrigerator freezer with ice maker. Hidden behind a wood door is the private bath with porcelain toilet, Formica top vanity with sink, lighted mirror, and medicine cabinet, shower with textured glass surround and skylight, and linen closet. Designed with comfort in mind, you'll find plenty of storage and counter space in the master bedroom and the 4 nice-sized closets with stylish recessed panel doors, in the built-in dresser drawers, and in the extra-large wardrobe in the hall with beautiful sliding mirrored doors, as well as overhead, under the bed, and in and on the nightstands. When it's time to get some rest for the next day's adventure, you'll appreciate the comfort of your spacious king-size premium mattress. You'll fall asleep easily to your favorite shows and movies on the bedroom entertainment center with a 32-inch LCD TV. There are also day-night shades and a sliding wood door for privacy. Make extra sleeping space with the full-size foam mattress that lowers from above the cab with a push of a button. There's still more of this fantastic coach that you must see on your personal walkthrough tour, so contact us today.